Hello everyone, welcome to RareChem Official. This video is about electronegativity. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Without delay, let's get started. Electronegativity defined as tendency to attract shared pair of electrons. If take HCl molecule, clo see hydrogen is one electron less to uh, noble gas configuration. Chlorine also has 7 electron in outermost shell. It is also has 1 electron less to noble gas configuration. If sharing 2 O electrons or pair of electrons, both get stabilized by covalent bond. This is sharing of electrons towards hydrogen or towards chlorine. It is called electronegativity, right? Electronegativity in groups. From top to bottom, okay, electronegativity is inversely proportional to atomic radius. Atomic radius, already we learnt about atomic radius, right? Atomic radius is increases from top to bottom, decreases from left to right. Here electronegativity is decreases from left to top to bottom, right? In groups, decreases in groups, because in groups number of cells increasing from top to bottom. Whenever increasing the number of cells, it is very difficult to attract electrons from outermost shell. So whenever uh, distance is more, electronegativity is less, decreases. In across the period, from left to right, electronegativity increases, because increasing the atomic number, number of protons increases, nuclear charge also increases. At the same time, atomic radius also decreases from left to right. Left to right. See, if take see, suppose carbon, nitrogen, oxygen. Here number of atomic number increases and number of protons increases, but number of if outermost electrons enters into the same cell. If like already we discussed in the earlier video, see number of cells remains constant in period. So here distance between nucleus to outermost orbit is very less. So it is very easy to attract electrons from outermost orbital. Whenever distance is less, electronegativity is increases. So here we conclude electronegativity increases from left to right. Some important notes in electronegativity. Electronegativity for inert gases 0. For second B group, zinc, cadmium, mercury, uh, electronegativity increases from top to bottom. Actually, electronegativity decreases from top to bottom, right? Here increases from top to bottom. And for group 3A, aluminium, gallium. Aluminium has more electronegativity than gallium, but here we observe aluminium is less than gallium. And one more thing, for fourth A group or fourth group, silicon, germanium, tin, lead, actually no change in electronegativity for fourth A group. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.